So we said she's just shy of 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is Amelia here, and we're just kind of showing what a infant adjustment looks like. You can see it's very gentle. I always compare it's like we're checking the ripeness of fruits or vegetables. And you know, I'm just going to be putting some pressure in certain, you know, real specific spots based on our evaluation of her. And there's certain areas we call subluxations where the part of her spine can be fixed or not moving properly. And that can create discomfort. It can also affect her nerves and how well her body's functioning. So we just want to realign the spine, get any irritation or pressure off the parts where the bones are misaligned. And as you can see, it's very, very gentle. Part of what we're looking for to correct here with Amelia was some head asymmetry, some favoritism, almost like a torticollis on the neck and the jawline. And so we're just looking for better balance to improve nursing and really to prevent any kind of major head asymmetry as she gets older, to avoid all that. And not all babies are this good and this calm, but most do very well during the adjustment because it's very gentle, like I said, very soothing. And a lot of people are familiar with a term that's used. It's almost like a form of massage where it's called craniosacral work. It's not exactly what we're doing, but we are going to be doing some work on our cranial area, cranial bones here. And it's very similar. It's not a massage, it's more of like a traction, almost like kind of pulling apart a little bit of a traction on some parts of the head there. Good. And then just some very gentle pressure in some other spots here. One of the things we'd like to do, Millie does a really good job with, is I'll just kind of hold her up here and really kind of just very gently bring her head in the direction that she doesn't typically like to go. And I'm just putting some pressure at the very top bone in her neck, C1. Last couple times she's got a pretty good belch out when she gets up in this position. That's really the extent of things here. There's not a whole lot more that we do. I mean, it varies on each child based on the subluxations or the misalignments that they have in their spine. But the types of adjustments that we do, like I said, are very gentle. There's no popping or cracking or turning like a lot of people associate chiropractic with. You know, with the kids, we just do very gentle pressure in some spots there. Oh, is that funny? And that's it. That's a newborn or infant adjustment there.